What's up guys, welcome back to another Road Design episode. Today I'll be showing you how to change the chain on a 1981 Yamaha XT250. Let's get right on into it. So here's my 1981 Yamaha XT250. I'm going to be replacing the chain on it because it is loose. And I'll be doing kind of half an oil change on it. I only got oil, I don't have an oil filter. So yeah, I got a brand new chain. Let's head on over to the shed. Get out of here, the tripod. Brand new chain, all of that good stuff. I did get a gasket kit for it, so be waiting for that video. That should be coming out here soon. On how to completely break down one of these engines, so I can do a full gasket rebuild kit on it. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, here's the oil I got. It should be the White Stuff 1040. At least that's what the owner's manual says. Yeah, I know, I sawed it off on the tripod. Nothing about that. Nothing's coming out about that just yet. Got another project sitting right behind it that's at my house now. But let me get the chain out, get it over there, and start showing you how to do this. So in theory, I'm just gonna need a pair of needle nose pliers, which these are kind of seized up, flathead, and a Phillips. I don't know how this is gonna go on any other bike. This is how to do it on this particular bike. The Phillips is to remove the side cover here. Flathead and the needle nose are to get the master link off the chain. So yeah, let's get on into this. I need to go grab my impact screwdriver because I don't want to strip these out. But they're already starting to strip out anyway, so that's not good. Might not even need to use this for the impact. I just need it for the screwdriver head. Yep, exactly. And you know what? I need a 10 mil. I just remembered to take this shifter link off. Okay. Now those are loose. Should be able to go through with this. And go grab a 10 mil. Okay, get that side cover off. There we go. Got all that good stuff. I do need to get in here and replace the stator. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna wait till I get the gasket kit ready. Now that's done, we move back here where the master link is. So somewhere on every old chains there has to be some what they call master link. So I gotta pop this clip off, pull everything apart, take the chain off, loosen the tension on my tensioning wheel because it's all the way up because this chain is stretched. So let me get this off, I guess. Okay. Normally it's easy as putting a screwdriver right up on the end here and pushing, and then sending it across the carport. Got it. I don't really care if I lose that. It's whatever to me. I got my new chain, but I still need a chain for the TT250 once that project's done. Now I gotta break this down, which I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna get that. Damn it. I just gotta get that out of the way so I can pull the chain off, because this link is screwed up. It's really screwed up. Got it. Okay, that is not how you properly remove a master link, because as you can see it's still stuck in there. But there we go. All chains off. That's garbage now, that master link. Now let me go wash my hands, because I did cut my finger, and then put this new chain on. I hate it when you cut your finger right there on the knuckle, because every time you bend it, the band-aid doesn't stay on. Okay, here's my master link and my new chain. So before I start, I need to loosen up my back axle, set this as low as it can go, put the chain on, and then tension it. So I gotta go grab more tools. Okay, put my wrench on this side. Could be a little awkward to hold this. God damn, that's tight. Yes, I got a new cotter pin score in it. Okay, now that's loose. I should be able to grab a screwdriver. Come on over to this side. I should be doing this in the shed because everything's getting dirty now with all the dirt, but fine. There we go. Set this all the way down to number 2. Come to the other side, I just put a hole in my seat with my screwdriver. Do the same thing on this side. I keep missing. There we go. And now I need to move the whole axle back. Make sure it's in the same spots on both sides. So right now number 2. And I'm gonna tighten this up just slightly. Okay, just a little snag. Okay, time for the chain. Just start with one side of the chain, wrap it down and around to the gearbox. Okay. I'm gonna get it up and over this tensioner here. Okay. See, I'm at level 2 on my adjuster here, and I'm already perfect for my master clip, and I can tension this up amazingly. So let's get this master link in. So nice having all new parts. And when you're doing this, try to keep it so, this is how I've done it. I don't know if you should do it like this, but this is how I've done it. When you put this on, come in this way, so the clip is on the outside, because you don't want to have to fight it later. Moving on the inside, like the one I took off. Imagine me trying to do that while it's on the inside part. Okay. Okay. Just gotta grab the screwdriver. Just like that. That's a new train. Let me tension it up real fast. As easy as putting my screwdriver right there and hitting it until my chain gets nice and tight, and then I match the same number. Hopefully I can get to number 3. And then I set the other side to the same. Come on, a little bit more. So right here you can see there's this right there on number 3. Chain is nice and tight. I might want to go a little bit more actually. Should I try going to a number 4? Oh, no. That's number 4. Chain is nice and tight on here. No worries there. So number 4 it is. Let me go do the other side. So the chain's nice and tight. As you can see, it's set to a notch right before number 4. New cotter pin, because number 4 was a little bit too tight. That is how you change the chain on the 1981 Yamaha XT250. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. It really does help me out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So a little side note, I never noticed this. It has a shift pattern, first, neutral, second, third, fourth, fifth. Never noticed it. And I've worked on this bike forever now, and it's just, yeah. I didn't know that. It's kind of cool.